Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
You start by verifying hardware and picking the right device. First, make sure speakers or headphones are connected, powered, and paired if Bluetooth. Once done, open Settings System Sound and confirm the output device matches your hardware. Incorrect selection is the most common cause. While here, glance at Master Volume and App Volume. Muted apps won't play. If nothing changes, move immediately to Driver and Device Diagnostics. Don't skip the next steps. Now you'll focus on drivers and device settings because mismatches here break sound. Open Device Manager, expand Sound, Video and Game Controllers, and look for error icons. Right-click to update driver or roll back if a recent update caused issues. Also run Windows Update and install the vendor's audio driver from their site when possible. Make sure to disable audio enhancements and set the sample rate in the device properties advanced. These often resolve clicks, stutters, and no sound problems. Finish by using Windows built-in tools and service restarts. Run Settings System, troubleshoot playing audio to auto-fix common faults. Then verify default communications device and turn off exclusive mode in Properties Advanced so apps don't steal audio. If issues persist, restart Windows Audio and Windows Audio Endpoint Builder Services and reboot. One key troubleshooting tip: create a temporary user account or roll back to a recent system restore point. This
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.